What's up YouTube, it's Crystal Knight here, coming at you with another video. Today we had ourselves a box of cyber access. We're going to open it up here and see if we can get anything good out of it. I opened a couple packs of these a while ago, so hopefully we can get something better. At least the packs are in there. Let's see if we can get something good. These packs are actually pretty loaded. They're really thick. We got a Goki Trap Trackers, Imperial Princess. That's pretty cool. Constellar Tellarknights. Dual Avatar, Super Heavy Samurai, Mandemnium, Sword Soul Punishment. That's pretty cool. Hoping to get a Starlight out of it, actually. That would be pretty cool. Another Imperial Princess. See, we got a Grand Sulfur. That's pretty cool. Cyber Sage. Super Heavy Samurai Monk. That's pretty cool. And Gold Pride. That pack gave me some trouble. It did not want to open. We got a Signet Circuit, Golden Pride, Sekatama. That card actually just got printed in a higher rarity in the newer set. What the heck is that? And Pendulum Moon. That's pretty cool. Pig Iron. Oh, that's pretty cool. Rolled Tiger. Signet Circuit. Firewall Phantom. There we go. There's one of the cards. That's pretty cool. S-Force Night Chaser. That's really cool. It's actually pretty hard to see. New Frontier, Amazement. All right. Golden Pride card. Ooh, Foul of Albi. Argyris. That's really cool. That's a Albaz card. We got a Pearly. Cyber's Death Worm, that's pretty cool. Ooh, we got ourselves an Ice Jade Ran. That's really nice. Pendulum Moon. And another Super Heavy Samurai. Ooh, another Fallen card. That's nice. I got a playset of those now. Trap Tracks. Kitsune. Ooh, Tellarknight Lyra. That's really nice. Fusion Duplication. That's pretty cool. Got a Pearly Sleepy. Moist Night, I don't know what that is. Sulfur. Time Turning, that's pretty cool. And a Dream Tower, all right. Some of these just do not want to open.
Yeah, I've had issues issues with them sticking together like that.
Yeah, I got another firewall. I got a Phantom right here. It's pretty cool. Self-record. This is getting out of hand. I gotta sort all of these later. That's gonna be a pain. Oh, cool. Golden Cloud Beast. That is really nice. We got ourselves our Teller Knight here. That's really cool. All these bulky trap cards. Castira Extra. That's pretty cool. I actually need some Castira cards. And Vendimium. World Tiger. Super Heavy Samurai. Iron Pig. Ooh, wow, okay, Super Heavy Samurai. That's a nice one, look at that. Another Amazement card. Super Heavy Samurai. Reinforce. Nice. About halfway through the video here. Hopefully I can have enough space here so I can record. Another Pearly card. Goki Ship. Pendulum. Ooh, missed one there. Imperial Princess. Annabelle. That weird thing again. Sword Soul. And Holly. Nice. Not getting anything good out of this set so far. Pearly Sleepy. Super Heavy Samurai. Double hooking. Ooh, Gold Pride, better luck next time. That's pretty nice. New Frontier, Golden Pride, Super Heavy Samurai. Okay. Really weird, I've only gotten like one secret rare out of this set so far.
I think that's all I got out of that one box was only one.
Yeah. Another World Tiger. Got a Golden Apple, it's pretty cool. Dream Tower. Fusion Duplication. Cyber Sage. And Endemium. Okay. Please don't ruin the side of the card. Yeet. So many of these. Pig Iron. Ooh, what do we got here? Beetle Trooper, that's pretty cool. Super Heavy Samurai. Reinforcements, oh, card Avalanche. Kinda gotta speed up the pace here, running out of video. Yeet. Princess, Sulfur Super Heavy Samurai, ooh, okay. Circuit. And Super Heavy Samurai Brave. That's pretty cool. And double avatar. Oh, we got something else. Alright. I have to double record this one. Another Firewall Phantom. I gotta set it out now. Ooh. Pearly Sleepy. And cool. Pendulum Moon. Yeet. Ooh. Got a Vetus. That's pretty cool. Ooh. There's always another card hidden back there. I'm now realizing why this set went down in price. There is absolutely nothing of major value in here. Wise Dragon, Wish Dragon, that's pretty cool. And a Super Heavy Samurai. This is more of a Super Heavy Samurai set than it is a Cyber Dragon deck set, which is really weird.
Yeah, he wouldn't do that.
I'm guessing that's why the set didn't make too much. Golden Cloud Beast. Oh wow, we got a super heavy, Saki. Ooh, Golden Pride Roller. That's actually a pretty good card. Got about 5 packs left. See if we can get anything good out of them. Got that Golden Pride Ruler. I think that's the best card out of the set. Ooh, Teller Knight. That's pretty good. Dual Avatar, New Frontier, Noble Dream. Alright. Not a lot of Golden Pride cards in this set that's supposed to have them. It's really weird. Another Fallen card. Pearly. Mandemium. Oh my god.
They're all going all over the place.
Yeah, they are. My mat's like falling apart over here now too. Ooh, we got a golden apple dragon. That's actually really nice. Sweet. Sweet dreams. Okay. 3 more packs. Another Fallen. A Bestial. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's speed run these last 2 packs. We are running out of time. Stressful situation right there.
Always on the clock.
On the clock. Yeah. We gonna do it? We gonna hit the time? We got 10 seconds left. Can we finish the pack in 10 seconds? Oh, that's pretty good. 3 seconds.